Hello everyone, Raz here with Green Bay Remodeling, today in Concord, California with another bathroom project finished. This specific project was emphasized on a wheelchair accessibility because the father of the house, he's on a wheelchair. And in that we needed to integrate a few little items which makes it the whole difference. One of them is the curbless shower pan. Second is a bunch of grab bars so he can maneuver around and create more space for him and the helper to move around the bathroom. Later on, we're gonna talk with the customers and you're gonna hear their experience too. Come inside and I'll show you. Okay, so here's the bathroom here. As you can see, this is the vanity section. We actually didn't really replace the vanity, but we did replace the faucets for something newer. And we replaced the mirror with a nice medicine cabinet mirrors, lighted mirrors. So you can touch and it will light. We added two recessed lights so they have more light here. Here we had a pocket door for wheelchair accessibility was kind of narrow. So we decided to delete the pocket door, close it off as a straight wall, extend this opening as much as we could per codes with the city. We gained that beautiful space so they can move and get into the bathroom with a wheelchair. So here is the actual bathroom space. What we had here before, that was a tub. This toilet right here was actually in this corner. And this whole section of the shower pan was smaller all the way to here. The most important thing was the curbless shower pan. Just so you can go inside with a wheelchair, no curb. This is a custom shower glass doors. Folding bench. We also added a rainfall shower head. So first of all, it's a nice to have thing. And second, it's right above the bench. So it can give just another experience in the bathroom for Larry, for the father of the house.
I'm Marianne Banky.
And I'm Jeff Banky. We're from Concord, California, and we did a bathroom remodel with Green Bay Remodeling. We went with them because they were able to give us a full open shower plan with the zero threshold, where the other contractor was limiting us somewhat.
We're both very pleased that it went as quickly as it did. The crew came early every day and left when it was dark, when they were, finished with what they were working on. And they would come again the next morning and, it was just smooth as clockwork. They just came and worked hard. And Fidel and his group were amazing. They were real craftsmen, knew what they were doing, and polite. And, even the plastic they laid down and the walls of plastic they put up were amazing. They just did a great job from start to finish. Raz kept everything flowing and very calmly. Nothing was like a big deal. He just worked through it and kept everything running calm and smooth and on time. And
Yeah.
gosh, we just had no problems whatsoever. And every time we've ever had a, project before, it's always finished later than early. So this was like a real eye-opener for us.
Yeah, he was able to schedule the inspections for the city and, really quickly and on time. So we didn't wait there wasn't a lot of downtime. So it was work, inspection, work, and not much downtime. The communication was great throughout. Me and Raz were in constant communication and just back and forth. Every little detail we're working out along the way, and it went very smoothly.
There were no surprises along the way.
Yeah, they just did what they said they were going to do.
Yeah.
And no surprises, no upsells, and no increase in the budget, those kinds of things. So
Yeah.
exactly what we agreed to in the beginning, it happened. Thanks for making it happen. You're doing a great job.
Just, I would recommend them to whoever is wanting to have a good remodel for their bathroom.